Insects are fantastic models for robots because they have very small brains and yet they're able to achieve very complex tasks. What we found in the study was similar to humans and other vertebrates, even insects like bees have a very accurate sense of how large they are. And this is quite interesting because we never expected that an animal of that small size with even a smaller brain is able to comprehend its own body size and use that information while it's flying in the outdoor environment. Our discovery shows that these could actually come from very simple brains and neural systems. The other side of things, this is, the robotic side of things is very interesting now, is to try to see how we can implement some of these behaviors that we have noticed in animals into a robot and see if they can, again, replicate similar behaviors and similar performance in naturally complex environments.